Welcome, health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most underrated superfoods, cucumbers. Yes, that humble green vegetable in your salad is more powerful than you might think. From hydration to detoxification, cucumbers are packed with benefits that can transform your health. So grab a glass of cucumber water, sit back, and let's uncover the secrets of this refreshing veggie. Cucumbers are a nutritional powerhouse disguised as a simple vegetable. Let us explore the elements that make them so remarkable. Cucumbers are made up of approximately 95% water, making them one of the most hydrating foods available. Eating cucumbers helps maintain optimal hydration levels, which is crucial for bodily functions like temperature regulation, nutrient transportation, and joint lubrication. Staying hydrated supports energy levels, brain function, and overall wellness, especially during hot weather or intense physical activity. With only about 16 calories per 100 grams, cucumbers are perfect for those aiming to manage their calorie intake. Their low-calorie density means you can enjoy them guilt-free in large portions, making them a satisfying and weight-friendly snack. Cucumbers contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, especially in their skin. Fiber promotes regular bowel movements, prevents constipation, and feeds beneficial gut bacteria, contributing to a healthier microbiome. To maximize fiber intake, avoid peeling cucumbers. The skin is where most of the fiber resides. Vitamin K is crucial for blood clotting and bone health, helping in calcium regulation and strengthening bones. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that supports the immune system, promotes collagen production for healthy skin, and aids in wound healing. Vitamin A, found in smaller amounts, supports vision, skin health, and immune function. B-complex vitamins include small amounts of B1, B5, and B7, which contribute to energy production, metabolism, and hair and nail health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, maintain fluid balance, and prevent muscle cramps. Magnesium supports muscle relaxation, nerve function, and bone health. Silica is a trace mineral that promotes strong connective tissue, including skin, hair, nails, and cartilage. Flavonoids and tannins are compounds that fight oxidative stress by neutralizing free radicals, reducing inflammation, and protecting cells from damage. Antioxidants can slow down the aging process by reducing signs of aging like wrinkles and dull skin. Regular antioxidant intake from cucumbers may lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Cucumbers are heart-friendly, as they contain no cholesterol. With naturally low sodium levels, cucumbers help maintain healthy blood pressure. Cucumbers have an alkaline pH, which helps balance the body's acidity and promotes overall wellness. This unique combination of hydration, low calories, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants makes cucumbers a must-have in your daily diet. Whether you are looking to boost hydration, support digestion, improve skin health, or lower your calorie intake, cucumbers can help you achieve your health goals effortlessly. Incorporate cucumbers into your meals, snacks, or drinks, and let this simple vegetable work wonders for your overall well-being. Did you know that staying hydrated is crucial for almost every bodily function? Thanks to their high water content, cucumbers are a natural way to keep your body hydrated. This is especially important during hot weather or after workouts. Cucumbers contain potassium, which helps maintain electrolyte balance and prevent dehydration. Proper hydration supports healthy, glowing skin, and cucumbers can also be applied topically as a natural moisturizer. Start your day with a glass of cucumber-infused water. Add a few slices of cucumber, mint, and lemon for a refreshing twist. Our bodies are equipped with natural detoxification systems, primarily the liver, kidneys, and digestive tract, that work tirelessly to eliminate toxins. Cucumbers act as a supportive ally in this process, amplifying its efficiency through their unique properties. With a water content of about 95%, cucumbers are one of the most hydrating foods you can consume. This hydration helps flush toxins and waste products from your body, primarily through urination. Staying hydrated reduces the risk of kidney stones and promotes optimal kidney function, as cucumbers encourage the kidneys to filter out harmful substances. Add a few cucumber slices to your water for a refreshing detox drink throughout the day. Liver support, antioxidants in action. Cucumbers contain antioxidants, such as flavonoids and tannins, that protect liver cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. These compounds help the liver metabolize and eliminate toxins more effectively, reducing the burden on this vital organ. Pro tip: combine cucumbers with parsley or mint for a liver-supportive juice or smoothie. Alkalizing effect, balancing your body's pH. Modern diets can often lead to excess acidity in the body, which can contribute to inflammation and chronic diseases. Cucumbers have an alkalizing effect, neutralizing acid and promoting a more balanced pH level. A balanced pH not only supports detoxification but also creates an environment less hospitable to harmful bacteria and viruses. Quick recipe: pair cucumber with lemon or lime slices for an alkalizing detox drink. Aids digestion, clearing the path. The fiber in cucumbers, particularly in the skin, supports regular bowel movements by adding bulk to stool. This is essential for efficiently eliminating waste and toxins from the digestive system. Cucumbers have natural anti-inflammatory properties, which can calm the digestive tract and promote gut health. Detox boost: for an easy gut cleansing meal, prepare a cucumber salad with yogurt, dill, and a dash of olive oil. Cucumber detox drink recipe: a powerhouse for cleansing. For a quick and effective detox boost, try this easy-to-make cucumber smoothie. Ingredients: 1 medium cucumber, peeled if desired, 1 cup fresh spinach, 2 celery stalks, juice of half a lime, 1 cup water or coconut water, optional, a small piece of fresh ginger for added digestive benefits. Instructions: chop all the ingredients into manageable pieces. Add them to a blender and blend until smooth. Serve chilled and enjoy the hydrating, cleansing benefits. Why cucumber detox matters. By supporting hydration, improving liver function, balancing pH levels, and promoting healthy digestion, cucumbers amplify your body's natural detox mechanisms. Incorporating cucumbers into your diet regularly, whether in salads, smoothies, or snacks, can leave you feeling refreshed, energized, and healthier from the inside out. Skin and beauty benefits. Who doesn't want glowing, youthful skin? Cucumbers are a beauty secret you can eat and apply. Here's why. Cucumbers contain antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene, which combat free radicals and reduce signs of aging. The cooling effect of cucumbers helps reduce swelling and puffiness around the eyes. Silica and vitamin K in cucumbers support collagen production, keeping your skin firm and elastic. Applying cucumber slices or juice directly to the skin soothes irritation and provides hydration. DIY cucumber mask recipe: blend cucumber slices with aloe vera gel and apply it as a mask for 15 minutes. Your skin will thank you. Weight loss and metabolism: how cucumbers are your secret weapon. Cucumbers are a versatile and powerful addition to any weight management plan. Their unique combination of low calories, high water content, and essential nutrients make them ideal for promoting weight loss while keeping your metabolism humming. Here's how cucumbers can help you achieve your fitness goals. With only about 16 calories per 100 grams, cucumbers are one of the most calorie-friendly foods you can eat. Their high water content and crunchiness create a sense of fullness without adding extra calories, making them a perfect snack for Weight Watchers. Enjoy cucumbers raw, in salads, or even as a base for healthy smoothies and juices. Quick tip: replace high-calorie snacks like chips or crackers with cucumber slices sprinkled with a pinch of salt and pepper for a satisfying treat. Boosts metabolism: hydration for efficiency. Proper hydration is essential for an efficient metabolism, as water is needed for numerous metabolic processes. Cucumbers, being 95% water, naturally help keep your body hydrated. The water and low-carb profile of cucumbers make them an excellent choice for maintaining thermogenesis, a process where your body burns calories to generate heat. Their low glycemic index means they provide energy without causing spikes in blood sugar, helping to sustain a balanced metabolism. Pro tip: start your day with a cucumber-infused water to kickstart hydration and boost your metabolic rate. Cucumbers are rich in dietary fiber, especially if you consume them with the skin. Fiber slows digestion, helping you stay full longer. The fiber in cucumbers also stabilizes blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes that lead to cravings. Their high water and fiber content work together to create a feeling of fullness, reducing the urge to overeat. Pair cucumber sticks with high-protein dips like hummus, tzatziki, or guacamole for a nutrient-packed snack that keeps hunger at bay. Cucumbers aid in flushing out toxins, reducing water retention and bloating, which can make you feel lighter and more comfortable. A healthy liver and kidneys enhance fat metabolism, and cucumbers contribute by hydrating and providing antioxidants. Blend cucumbers with lemon, mint, and ginger for a detoxifying drink that supports weight loss and improves digestion. With a low carb content, cucumbers fit perfectly into low carb or ketogenic diets. They add bulk and crunch without disrupting carb limits. Cucumbers contain potassium and magnesium, which are crucial for maintaining electrolyte balance, especially on restrictive diets. Now, let's get creative in the kitchen. Here are a few delicious and easy ways to include cucumbers in your meals. Toss sliced cucumbers with cherry tomatoes, red onions, olive oil, and a splash of vinegar for a refreshing side dish. Blend cucumbers with Greek yogurt, mint, and a bit of honey for a hydrating drink. Hollow out cucumber halves and fill them with a mix of tuna salad or chickpeas for a protein-packed snack. Use thinly sliced cucumbers as a wrap for sushi fillings like avocado, carrots, and smoked salmon. These recipes are not only healthy but also incredibly tasty, perfect for any time of day. To wrap up, cucumbers are a versatile, nutrient-dense, and hydrating superfood that supports your body inside and out. Whether you're looking to stay hydrated, detox your system, or enhance your skin's glow, cucumbers are your go-to solution. Don't underestimate the power of this humble vegetable. Make it a staple in your diet and watch the benefits unfold. Thank you for joining me today, and as always, stay healthy and stay hydrated.